We need those panels at Bay 4 now.
This line here needs to be perfectly seamless.
I agree, it enhances the aerodynamic.
The drag coefficient is optimal. This improves efficiency.
Everything looks good here. Dimensions are within range.
Precision meets luxury in the Aurora.
Check the routing on this bundle. All clear on the schematic.
Every detail is crafted with absolute precision. This precision defines every step of the build.
Align your side with the bracket. Perfect.